Hey guys, John from J&J Auto Wrecking here, coming at you with my favorite test video I've ever done, the 2011 Think City, almost called it a hybrid EV. In 2011, this was one of only 5 EVs that were crash test rated and highway rated in the US market. Tesla Roadster, Nissan Leaf, Mitsubishi i-MiEV, I'm forgetting one more, and then this guy. These were made in Norway originally and then produced in a plant in Elkhart, Indiana from 2001 to like August of 2012 after the company filed bankruptcy. They come with a 24 kilowatt hour traction battery. They have a top speed of, I believe, 68 miles an hour and a 99 mile range. This car is a giant European parts bin. It is amazing. These are Pagani Zonda taillights. The steering column is out of a Ford Focus. The headlight switch is out of a Ford Focus. A lot of the weird AC components are out of a Ford Focus. The Sony head unit is factory. I guess they just got a really good deal on those and didn't want to buy an OE radio. All the parts on this car, guys, are in excellent condition. It came in with a quote-unquote mechanical problem. Like we said, turned out to be a bad 12-volt battery. We got it charged up, and we've been playing with it around the yard for a little bit, and now it is time to part it out. It's going to keep doing a walk around here. Everything is in very good condition on this car. It is this weird blue textured plastic, kind of dent-proof, kid-proof awesomeness. I think the only thing left to do now, guys, is to drive this thing around. Shucks. Stepping inside here, it is like a smart car on steroids. This is the door panel. This is the door. There's that Ford Focus headlight switch, Ford Focus steering column. The awesome radio here. Enhance. Oh, I don't even have it turned on. All right, guys, let's go ahead and drive this thing and see what it's all about. Ooh, we are off. Yard testing.
The electric slide.
Oh, I'm doing the electric slide. There's Mason just preparing a car. There's our main office here. You guys are getting the extended test drive here. Let's see what the guys in Dismantle are doing. Oh, they've got the doors closed. It's like 55 degrees, guys. Stop being pansies. What do we have here? Cadillac Elante. Look at all these, guys. Big shout out to the customer that bought every C5 suspension drop we have. You know who you are, and we really appreciate it. You guys found us on Wrench Every Day and got us some business. Let's see here. There's a freight department. Say hi, Tim.
Hi.
Guys, when you buy a motor from us, this is where they freight it out at. It ends up over here. Let's step inside really fast and say hi to these guys. I love it when test videos go rogue. What are you guys working on?
Fender, hood, grill, door.
Fender, hood, grill, door. Guys, look at this. This is the care all your parts get when you order something from us. We've got an Elante customer here. Looks like he's getting a half of a front end of an Elante. The freight department, we've got 3 full-time employees. Look at them working hard as I just stand here in their way. They get everything ready for you guys. They get it on a pallet, they ship it out, they weigh it, we get it right to your doorstep. We could not make buying big parts easier anywhere else. Oh look, there's Jason, our yard guy. Hi Jason, get out of my way, don't hit me. It might hurt. All right, back to the test, guys. Let's get this thing down low and get it finished up. Man, I love this car. Let's see what kind of cool stuff we can see here on a quick little yard tour. We got a Monte Carlo SS, Malibu Max SS, the Vigor, a Rendezvous. Nobody can ever say the name of those cars right, so we just call it Rendezvous around here. Look at that, an old Ford truck, watch JR go style. There's our old Plymouth. Oh, let's just see more G-bodies. Focus SVT. Man, I picked like the 80s row. Oh, this car, this was a 50,000 mile town car that got some hail damage down in Texas. It is minty fresh. Very sad about parting that one out. Let's swing around here. We'll take her back to where she belongs and end this test video. Oh, there's our 2018 Power Wagon. Dodge guys, if you're looking for a set of 410s with the E-lockers, this girl right here has you set up. I have a 1500 or I would have snagged those for my truck. Oh, let's go down here and check out the new arrivals, and then we'll park her and we'll get to the giveaway part of this video. Look at that, Cadillac Escalade Platinum, Thunderbird, Town Car Ultimate. Ooh, nice little Z car. Pro-Charge Mustang. Ooh, 54 Hudson. What is this? A Bentley. High class white trash, baby. We've got a Bentley. TT. Oh, Gazelle kit car. Saab Trailblazer SS. Tornado Trofeo. I gotta check this thing out really fast. Oh man. Oh wow. This thing is a time capsule. Apologies to my wife if you're watching this, because I might bring this home. Nah, never mind. Dang it. Got me again. I was really excited for this one. Oh man, is that thing nice. I could just see me embarrassing my kids picking them up from school in that thing right now. All right, let's finish this out here. Let's park it back where it belongs, next to the Mustang. Will it drift? It does. Oh man, I love this car. Seriously love this thing. All right guys, if you've stayed with me for the last 6 minutes and 47 seconds of this video, I've got a surprise for you. The back of it latched itself. Oh no. What are we going to do here? How does one get into the trunk of a Think City? They hit the release, that's what they do. Like I said, guys, if you stuck with me for the last 7 minutes of this test video / walk around, I've got a surprise for you. We are gonna be doing a giveaway here. I'm gonna give away 10 hats, 10 t-shirts to the first people that subscribe to this channel and send me an email right there. Send it to that address. Let me know you subscribed and tell me what your favorite test video was that I've done in the last week, guys. I'll shoot you out a t-shirt or a hat. Either way, guys, that is going to wrap up the test video for, I don't remember the stock number, LBTH212. That doesn't make too much sense. LBTH212, our 2011 Think City electric car, guys. One more view at this thing. If only I had room. I don't even know what I would do with it, but I want it. Anyways, guys, I've bored you now for 8 minutes. Thanks for watching. Click the button below to subscribe, and we're out.